Introducing Red the Crab, the spoon holder and steam releaser that's both fun and functional. His sturdy claws can hold spoons, tongs, ladles, and other kitchen utensils. And when you're cooking pasta or soup, simply place Red Crab on top of the pot and the steam will escape through his claws, preventing your kitchen from getting steamy. With its fast and accurate readings, you can be sure that your steak is juicy and your chicken is cooked through. The digital meat thermometer features a long, stainless steel probe that can be inserted into the thickest cuts of meat. The probe is also waterproof, so you can use it to check the temperature of liquids, such as soup or gravy. The digital meat thermometer has a large, easy-to-read LCD display. The display shows the current temperature of the meat, as well as the desired temperature. The thermometer also has an alarm that will sound when the meat reaches the desired temperature. The immersion blender is a versatile kitchen tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, from blending soups and sauces to making smoothies and whipped cream. It is also known as a stick blender or hand blender. Immersion blenders are handheld devices that have a motor and blades at the end of a long shaft. The blades can be submerged directly into the food that you are blending, which makes them ideal for small batches or for blending ingredients that are already in a pot or bowl. Immersion blenders are a great way to save space in your kitchen, as they do not require a separate blender jar. They are also relatively affordable, making them a good option for budget-minded cooks. Immersion blenders are a great addition to any kitchen. They are versatile, affordable, and easy to use.